The Law of Attraction in Action. Putting the Law of Attraction into Action. Narrated by John Hawkes. Introduction. Hello, and welcome to our short introductory guide on the power of the Law of Attraction. Well, more importantly, how to put the Law of Attraction into action for your life. If you're reading this book, chances are you have come across the phrase Law of Attraction at least once before. You probably have watched movies or heard of movies like The Secret. That's how many Americans became aware of the Law of Attraction. Ever since the word got out about this body of knowledge, more and more people are talking about it on social media, mainstream media, and among their circle of friends and associates. Interestingly enough, the more people talk about it, the more mysterious it became. It seemed that the more people kicked around the term Law of Attraction, the murkier it seemed. Now, it's very easy to see why this is the case, because a lot of people are skeptical. In fact, according to these people, the Law of Attraction doesn't exist. They are so close-minded and they are so dead set against this type of thinking that they don't even think of the possibility that it could be real. Others are more likely to believe, but they are still dismissive. For a variety of reasons, they can't quite accept that the Law of Attraction would actually deliver something of tangible value to people's lives. Even if we were to filter out these people, among those who are left, there's still a tremendous amount of confusion. Why? Simple overuse, lack of clarity, and a tremendous amount of subjectivity. The bottom line is that regardless of the confusion surrounding the Law of Attraction, it is real. It changes people's lives. It has a direct and profound impact on how people think, the things they say, and most importantly, the things they do. The Law of Attraction has helped people get over fears, attain their desires, meet the right people, and otherwise make their dreams come true. It really all boils down to using the right framework. In the next part of the guide, we're going to start the foundation of putting the Law of Attraction into action by covering 6 common myths of the Law of Attraction which hold a lot of people back.